Bobby Joe, and there is a huge storm heading this way towards Kansas City. So everyone, get in your underground houses, shelters now. Evacuate the city. This is a huge storm. It's got a twister and a hurricane combined, people, and this is not good. Trust me, I've been in these situations before. When I was a kid, I used to live in San Francisco, and there's a storm came, blew me all the way here, and now I live here with my mom and my sister. All right, get in your underground houses now. There are super heavy winds, people, up to 300 miles an hour, okay? Get in your underground houses now, immediately.
Okay, Bobby. So big fan here. Going on another channel 2, the biggest news. Oh boy. Okay. Oh, wait. 2 minutes. Not 2 minutes. Hurry. Right now.
Okay.
Ready, set, action.
Okay, there is a hello people. My name is Bobby Joe. There is a huge storm coming. There is a hurricane and a tornado combining. Oh my God! I have kids at home. Cut the stinking cut the stupid camera. Look, I have kids at home. I need to go get them. Will you please come with me?
I took the camera off.
Oh, who cares about the camera? Quick.
Wait for me. No.
All right.
I bet you a Jolly Rancher. My gun is better. I need more ammo. I don't have any. Mine's automatic.
Oh.
Daddy!
More ammo.
Oh my God, you guys. Are you playing with guns again? Alright, you guys, I told you no playing with guns. Right now, there's a huge storm. We have to get inside.
Who's that?
That's my friend, the cameraman at the news station.
Hi.
Guys, stop acting weird now. Now, okay, guys, we have to
Get dirty.
Guys, go inside or you're grounded. Alright?
Come
Come on. You guys, come on.
Okay.
It doesn't matter now. Let's just go. Okay, fine. You get that one. Take this one. Here, drop the camera so it doesn't get damaged. Okay. Go. Whoa. What's happening? Whoa. Oh my God. Oh my God. I never got to see Vegas. Oh my God.
Bobby Joe. Bobby? Wait, where does Kid?
What the? Oh, no.
Where'd Daddy go? Where'd that real cameraman go? Where'd they go, Peter? Where'd they go? Mom! Yeah? Mom?
And so the storm carried them all the way from Kansas City to Miami Beach.
Hey, look, my phone. That's good. Oh my God, it has a cracked screen. Hey, look, it's my phone. Wait, it's not my phone. Now it is. How do I get to this mess? Where'd it go at?
Oh, a Coke bottle.
Whoa.
E-bug, how'd you get there? Fly away, I demand. Oh, I've never been to Miami.
Whoa, hey, Hey guys, what's up?
That's Coke? Seriously, man?
Doug. Found
Not
it.
sharing?
Hey, and I got this cool hat.
So where are you?
What? We're in Miami. We're at Miami Beach.
I need my bang bang. I need bang bang.
Look, you'll get your bang bang sometime and we'll buy you a new one.
So where are we going now?
I don't know. Hey, look, a car. Let's go and get it.
I need bang bang. Can we go get bang bang? I found the box.
Gate closing on my shoes.
A car. Let's get in.
Alright, there's the car. All we need to do is just get in and we'll drive somewhere.
Bang, bang.
Guys, look, the storm's coming back. How are we gonna get out of here?
Are there any directions in there?
Oh, maybe. No directions. I don't know. Wait a minute. Guys, have you ever wanted to see your Aunt Annabelle?
Of course, Daddy. Of course.
We're going to New Orleans, guys.
Whose aunt?
My aunt. Or no, my sister.
Oh.
My sister. Guys, we're going to New Orleans.